Pause recording. Standard.
Hello there. In today's video, we are going to learn basic text editing using NVDA. For that, we are going to make use of Notepad. We could also make use of Microsoft Word, but it performs some more complex functions, like it helps us in creation and management of tables, insertion of images, etc. So we are going to use the basic text editor, that is Notepad. For that, we are going to press our Start window.
Start window.
Press N.
N. Level 1 Notepad.
As we get Notepad, press Enter. If you don't get Notepad, then try to type it out. So if you are not getting Notepad when you type N, type O, and so on. So I'll press Enter.
Start the rhythmic clatter of keys.
Now here I have a note. In earlier times, what used to happen was that whenever we used to open a note, whenever we used to open Notepad, we used to open a new blank note. But now what has happened is that, for supposing if you have written something today, now you close the Notepad, you shut down your computer, and you come back the next day and you open your Notepad. So that same content is going to be there with you until you create a new note. Or if you have created this note and then you open some other note and you were working on that, then that note will be opened the next time you open your Notepad. Now, in case if you want to open a new note, a blank note, you need to click on your Alt key.
File collapsed Alt.
Click on down arrow.
New tab Alt.
And click on New tab for creation of a new note. But since I don't want to create a new note, I want to show you whatever I want to in this note only. So I'll click my Alt key again. And when this doesn't work, I'll click Escape.
File collapsed Alt, F1 of 3. Text editor document.
And here we are in the text editor. In order to go to the start of any document, click Ctrl Home.
The rhythmic clatter of keys echoed.
In order to go to the start of a line, click the Home key.
Quote.
In order to go to the end of a line, click the End key.
Carriage return.
In order to go to the end of any document, click Ctrl N.
Communication, a seamless connect.
In order to go to the end of the line, as I showed you, you have to click the End key.
Blank.
Here we can see a blank line. Here we could press Enter and start typing anything.
H-E-L-L-O. Hello. Space. M-Y. My. N-A-E. Name. S. Space. A-B. S. Tabs. Dot.
And that's how it works. To select anything. Now for supposing I am wanting to select tabs. My name is Tabs. So I'm going to click my Shift key and click up arrow. Because now listen to me. If you were at a line which is below, so you have to click down arrow. So now I'll click up arrow.
Less connection between thoughts and less connection between. Hello, my name's Tabs.
This is what I'm going to select. So first I'll go to the end of the line.
Blank.
Now I'll click up arrow. First I'll click the Shift key. Now the up arrow.
Less connection between thoughts and words. Hello, my name's Tabs. Unselected.
So
less connection between thoughts and words. Hello, my name's Tabs. Selected.
This is what has been selected. And if I want to deselect this, I'll simply click down arrow.
Hello, my name.
Similarly, I can go to the start of the document.
The rhythmic.
And select the lines which are below. So for that, first I'll make sure that I'm at the start of a line. So I'll click the Home key.
Quote.
Now I'll start with, I'll click my Shift key. I'll click down arrow.
The rhythmic clatter of keys echoed in the quiet room as I sat down to type. Fingers poised above the keyboard, I took a deep breath and selected.
So this is what has been selected.
The rhythmic.
Now,
The rhythmic
if I wanted to copy this, I would simply click Ctrl plus C. And the notepad doesn't announce anything, but the text has been copied. Now, for supposing I'll go to the end of my document.
Hello, my name's...
And here I'll go to the end of the line.
Blank.
And I want to cut the words which say hello, my name is tabs. So here I will click on my control key and use left arrow to navigate through words.
Dot. Tabs. Names. My. Hello.
Similarly, if I wanted to navigate through characters, I would click my left or right arrow, which would be clicked by me without pressing Control.
E L E H E L L O space M Y space my hello. Carriage return H.
So since I have reached on hello, now what I will do is select hello, my name is tabs. I will not select the words which are before that. So I'll click my shift key and I'll click my right arrow.
H selected.
And that is how it will be selected. But if you want to select word by word, I don't want to select only characters, I want to select word by word. So I'll also click the control key along with the shift key. And I'll select
hello selected. My selected. Names selected. Tabs selected. Dot selected.
And that's it. Now I could click Ctrl plus X to cut this. To select the entire document, you need to click Ctrl plus A.
610.
And then you could just click on Ctrl C to copy. Or I could simply click the backspace key and all of this would be deleted.
Blank.
And now my entire document is blank.
Blank.
If I wanted to paste anything, I would simply click Ctrl plus V.
Communicate. Blank.
It did not say anything, but my document, the words that I had copied had been pasted. Now here I can go to the start of my document.
The rhythmic clatter of...
And start reading.
Begin the exercise. The rhythmic clatter of keys. Quote. Cap T. H. E. Space. R. 8. The rhythmic clatter of keys echoed in the quiet room as I sat down to type. Fingers poised above the keyboard, I took a deep breath and...
Now here if I go to the end of my line...
Carriage return.
And click insert up arrow, look what happens.
The rhythmic clatter of keys echoed in the quiet room.
This is what it is reading.
Carriage return.
But if I go to the end of the line and click insert up arrow twice...
Quote. Cap T. H. E. Space. R. H. Y. T. H. M. I. C. Space. C. L. A.
So that is what happens. If I go to the end of my line, end of my document.
Blank.
And if I click insert up arrow.
Blank. 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 Communication, a seamless connect.
Nothing happens.
Blank. Communication.
Here, communication, a seamless connection. I could click here the end key.
Carriage return. And
again read by character by clicking insert up arrow twice. So I'm not actually clicking here insert and up arrow twice. Instead I'm holding the insert key and then clicking the up arrow key twice.
C O M M U N I C A T I O N comma space A space S.
That is your basic text editing. Now you could click Ctrl plus S to save any document.
S. Toolbar. Hide folders button. Encoding, combo box UTF-8 collapsed.
UTF-8 is the coding. This is the char set. This is, you should not go into very much detail about this.
Save button Alt plus S.
I could simply click on save button, but I think I should not. I first need to give a title.
Cancel button.
Cancel is there.
Up band toolbar. Up to desktop. Alt plus up arrow.
You
button.
could go up to desktop.
Address. C. Users tabs desktop web series.
So it is showing me that my document is going to web series folder and it is in my desktop.
Search box edit search web. Command module toolbar. Organize button organize the tree view. OneDrive personal collapsed 1 of 1 left. Items view list. Name split. File name, combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N blank.
So this is the file name where I have to type my file name. So for supposing I'll type tabs.
T-A-B-S.
That's it. So here I have been using my tab key to navigate. I'll again click tab.
Save as type. Combo box text documents. Star.text. Collapsed.
Save as text document. So here you could click down arrow to expand.
Expanded. Save as type. List. All files.
All files.
All file. Text documents. Star.text.
So these are the two options, all files and text document. So I'll click enter on text document, which was set by default.
Save as dialog. Toolbar. Hide folders button. Encoding. Combo box UTF-8 collapse. Save button Alt plus S.
And then I simply have to click on my save button to save this note.
Cancel button.
But I'll click on cancel since I don't want to save it.
Start the rhythmic clatter of keys.
And that, guys, is the basic text editing using your notepad. So that is these are the basic commands that you use while editing your documents. So you use this even when you start with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. These will be the basic key commands which you always will be using. So that is the main reason why I had told you to familiarize yourself with your keyboard, because totally everything is based on keyboard commands. So that's it, guys, for today. Until next time, bye bye.
Stop.
So guys, before going, I would like to tell you one last thing, and that is that please check out my description box for a paragraph which I will provide for you so that you can do your typing practice. This paragraph contains all the letters from A to Z, and you will learn to type faster. So what you have to do is just type out that paragraph in your notepad. So once you are done with typing that paragraph out, you need to type it again and again and again until you think that your typing speed is not fast enough. So guys, please check it out. And that's it, guys, for today. Bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.